So before, we used to hand wash all of our vehicles, which takes more time, more labor, and more importantly, more dollars to do that. With the car wash tunnel, the cost has significantly dropped. Washing by hand and vacuuming by hand, that's the most expensive way to do this. Not only has the car wash tunnel saved us money and will continue to save us money, it provides a more consistent product or more consistent outcome to the car wash and vacuum product. Especially during the busy times, before hand washing, if the detailers had a line of cars, their job is to get the cars through in a timely fashion. With that, the quality of the wash and vacuum would suffer. We offer express service at all of our dealerships. The customers expect servicing, which includes the wash and vacuum. This allows us to do the detail side of it, the wash and vacuum, in a timely and consistent fashion. So we feel the break-in point is going to be around 4 years. So after 4 years, it'll basically pay for itself and make us money compared to the way we were washing cars before. Not only does it help sales or service, it helps out sales also. If a car gets dropped off, if they're wanting to show the car to a customer, instead of having to detail the car fully ahead of time, we could just run it through the car wash, show the customer the car, and then go about the sales process and then this detail process after that.